sometimes someone may have sent you an email and it might not have been received on your inbox. You might not see anything and you might be confused on where your email actually went. So sometimes if the emails are sent and it contains some suspicious elements, or if it is from a suspicious or unknown address, chances are that your email directly went onto the spam folder, which Gmail sends to for let's say unsecure emails, potentially unsecure emails. So to access those emails, you can go around onto more, and over here in spam, you can see that there's one email right here. So if I were to click on this, then you can see that this there's an unread email right here. So whoever might have sent the email will see sent on their end, but you might see the no emails on your inbox, but you might receive it in your spam. So it's a good idea to see spam emails as well. So all the emails that get collected in spam, it stays there for only 30 days and it is automatically deleted. That is because spam emails are something that is not considered important by Gmail. So if I were to go around over here and click on this mail, then I can just go around and then see this email right here. And you can see that this is from a trusted address right here. You can see that this is what you have right here. So what you can do is you can go around and report this to not be as a spam right here. Sometimes when someone sends you out an email, and even if it is from a recognized address, you might still see security warnings in case the email is not sent using correct methods. So it might still be malicious, and then so that's why you have to be careful while opening out emails. So even if someone sends out an email from a known address, then someone else might not have sent it genuinely as well. But over here, I'm completely okay with this email, so I'm just going to report this not as spam. And what happens is that email moves to inbox now, and you can immediately access it. And that is how you can go around and view and manage up these spam emails as per how you like inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.